I just want to talk about my books. This is the main book. This is the one that was the only one available when I started doing this series of tutorials. It's called Pop-Up Design and Paper Mechanics, How to Make Folding Paper Sculpture. This book is the business, and I think it first came out in 2010. Recently, it's been updated only with a new cover. So this is the new version of it. The contents are exactly the same, but it has this new cover. So some people, they get confused. Oh, is this new book better, different? No, the contents are exactly the same. It's just the cover has been updated. There is a second book. These count as one because the contents are exactly the same. The other book, this is a really old book. This is from the 90s. This is Pop-Up, A Manual of Paper Mechanisms. This is now out of print, but you can find it on Amazon secondhand. You can also find it on the internet. There's pirate copies with PDF or photos of every single page. If you want to look at this one, you can find it there. This one is all black and white. The drawings look like kind of smudgy charcoal drawings. It does have some content that's not in the other book. It's much harder to use. It's all stick A to A, B to B. When I wrote it, I didn't understand pop-up in the way that I understand it now. This is still worth a look, but don't spend a lot of money on it. I think it's got a bit more on pull strips, so if that's your thing, yeah, this might be one to get hold of. But basically, these two books, they're exactly the same. This is the new cover. I could tell you the ISBN numbers. So this one, the ISBN is 978-1-78494-514-5. That's the book.